This bad boy came early. I'll try to do like a quick unboxing because I ain't got no time. I gotta do my podcast soon. Every new episodes every Wednesday. This is a Best Buy open box one. So excellent condition. I think it was like $5.95. But it is the open box one, so we'll just see how my luck looks. I've bought from them before, but it's always a new journey every time. Nice little fancy. I like it. I never watched the unboxing, so I don't even know how this is supposed to look, but that's the initial thing. And give you a couple cards. Actually doesn't look that bad though. The presentation, I mean. Presentation, I still got all my cutouts. Maybe that wasn't supposed to be there, but it was. That's weird. Steam Deck one, because the new Steam Deck OLED has like a really long one. So, I wonder if they kind of gave you a pretty decent sized one. It's not bad. It was like the first one. Not like the Steam Deck OLED for sure. 65 watts. Does this pop out? I'm already trying to break it. Let me leave it alone. Let's see what's next. The actual device now. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let's see. I ain't gonna lie to you. I thought it would be heavier. Everybody kept saying it was super heavy. It really feels well built. Oh, I hate this D-pad though. They're right on the D-pad, guys. D-pad is not the greatest. But it does feel well built. Right. This is just my out-of-the-box impressions. I ain't trying to do too much. I'm just trying to see what it looked like. Because I got it from Best Buy. And make sure, inspect it. Because they say excellent condition. So, I think you're supposed to press it and then pull down. Okay. No dings on the actual thing either. That's good. All right, let's make this a little bit more concise. So, it's powering up when I didn't want it to, but it's powering up now. Overall, the quality of the case, the dock, the little piece you use for the controller, the charger, everything is in good condition, so I'm happy with that. I don't have any complaints at all. And again, this is like a $150 discount for this. I have to kind of boot it up and see what everything else, but for what I was trying to get, which is basically this Legion for a cheaper price, I think that worked out pretty well. Screen looks good. Don't see any blemishes or anything like that. Yes, I'm in the United States. Wow, this screen is really freaking nice, man. Compared to the OLED, yeah, it's just even to the OLED, you know? I just like more vibrant and more punchier screens, I suppose. And I'm a OLED fanatic, but when I get me a nice Samsung, it helps out a lot. But overall, I feel like the build quality is nice. I think where my hand sits doesn't feel bad. I can feel this kind of stabbing me already. It's not terrible, but I wish they would have did something else with that. I'm gonna take these stickers off because I don't like it. I don't know why they're here. I hope you can take the stickers off without messing something up. Yeah, I don't really want the stickers on the sides or nothing. So I'll be stripping that. But overall, it looks like, see, I use a lot of natural hair products, so it's already like, bro, you doing too much. Like, I just started. I ain't even there yet, my guy. So yeah, but I like it. I like the feel of it. It doesn't feel like it's too crazy. I don't know how bad it'd be if I'm truly gaming. I think this is really a problem. Like, the next iteration definitely needs to not have that in place. But in regards to like actual heaviness, it doesn't feel terrible. Let me see this kickstand. I really like the kickstand. Yeah. Oh yeah, kickstand's nice too. I like the kickstand. But yeah, it feels well built. And that's probably was my big reason for buying it. Just feels well built. So yeah. Okay. So real quick, my thoughts. First impressions on a Best Buy version, where they had the excellent, so it is open box. I feel like my actual case, my actual device, all of it fits well. I think that it looks well. It actually looks like it's been taken care of, or at least whatever they did to kind of make it back to brand new status. I think they did a good job with that. I don't see any blemishes on it, which is really great. Screen looks really good. And overall, the big screen is really helping me sell me that this was a good choice right now. I will go ahead and start to set it up a little bit later after I finish my podcast. I'll probably start shooting some stuff to kind of show you guys tomorrow. Obviously, I will have a video up tomorrow as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys that it actually came a little bit early, so that was nice. FedEx guy was cool, and that's pretty much it. Yeah. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be back tomorrow with content around what I'm actually going to be putting on it in that initial setup process, because I'm gonna record it and kind of show you guys what that looks like. But yeah, I'm a little exhausted. Peace.